Hey everybody, welcome to Phonics and Spelling this week. You are working this week with consonant clusters, also known as consonant blends, with the letters R, S, and L. And a consonant cluster is when two letters come together, but they still have each sound of the letter. But when you you think of them as like a pair of letters. Our first one is kl, tur, ker, ger, ksk, sp, sk, sker, slool. And we've got some more that we'll be learning over the next couple of days. But the TR is one of the more difficult ones because it actually sounds like DR. So you really have to slow down and listen to yourself when you say those two letters together because the DR and the TR are very close. Tur, dur. And so that's most people make a mistake with those two. All right, here they are in words. And remember, it's going to be my turn to read first. The other thing that I want to tell you is you really need to be reading out loud with me because it is a whole different skill if you read in your head. And even if you're a really great reader, you still need to understand sounds and how they work within words so that you can figure out long words. All right. So my turn is always first. And then when I say read it together, you do need to be reading out loud with me. All right. So here I go. My turn first. Cl, clap, cur, crib, sp, space, spend, sk, dusk. Okay, now you read it with me. Ready? Out loud. Cl, clap, cur, crib, space, spend, sk, dusk. All right, next line. Slool, sled, tribe, skate, clue, lost. Okay, your turn out loud. Slool, sled, tribe, skate, clue, lost. So if you notice the consonant clusters can be at the beginning of words or they can be at the end of words. All right, here we go. Ooh, my turn. Ooh, cube, doze, scrape. There's that E coming around and making the A say the long sound. Wove, crab. Okay, now you do it with me out loud. Ooh, cube, doze, scrape, wove, crab. Okay, now go up and read all of these words with me now. Ready? Go. Clap, crib, space, spend, dusk, sled, tribe, skate, clue, lost, cube, doze, scrape, wove, crab. All right, now we're going to review multi-syllable words, syllabic words. And what that means is each syllable in a word has to have a vowel. So some words can be one syllable, some words can be 2, 3, 4, all the way up to I have read words with 13 or 14 or 15 syllables before in my pharmacy job. So how you recognize how many syllables a word has is look at the vowels. So you see an I and a U. The E doesn't count because it's hooked to the U because it makes it say the long sound. So you have two vowels, two syllables. One vowel, two vowels. That one is hooked to this one. So two syllables. One, two syllables. One, two syllables. Then what I do is I usually break it between two consonants. So I try it right there first. I see two consonants. I try it right there. See two consonants, try it right there. See two consonants and try it right there. So then I go include, include. Concrete, concrete. Bob, sled, bobsled. Splendid, splendid. Okay, now you do it with me. Ready? Include, include. Concrete, concrete. Bob, sled, bobsled. Splendid, splendid. Okay, now let's clap those. Ready? And read it out loud. Ready? Go. Include, include. Concrete, concrete. Bob, sled, bobsled. Splendid, splendid. Great. All right, now let's read some sentences with our consonant clusters. My turn first. Jane put a plate of grapes on the table. Now your turn to read it with me, but we're going to read it fluently now. Ready? Jane put a plate of grapes on the table. Read it one more time. Jane put a plate of grapes on the table. Okay, my turn. The little snake slid under a stone. Now let's read it together fluently. The little snake slid under a stone. Read it one more time. The little snake slid under a stone. Now read out loud with me both sentences. Ready, go. Jane put a plate of grapes on the table. The little snake slid under a stone. All right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is your sounds this week. Consonant clusters. I really need you studying your spelling list. I really need you playing a couple of spelling games a day. And I also need you to probably go and remember to do vocabulary when you're doing reading. But it's very, very important that you're reading out loud, and you can always go back and practice this. If you struggle to read or you have a hard time with spelling, listen to this video again, all right? So have a great day, and I will talk to you tomorrow.